In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your Google collection is not private on iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, whenever this happens, this usually means there's a mismatch between your iPhone security handshake and the website's SSL certificate. And while it looks like a hack, it's often just a local setting glitch. So the number one culprit is to check your date and time settings. So go over to settings and then go over to general, which is this one right here, and then go ahead and find date and time. Once you go ahead and click on it, where it says set automatically, you want to ensure that it's toggled on. If it was already toggled on, toggle it off and then back on to force a resync with Apple's time servers. That should definitely fix it. And if that doesn't, you might have to clear your cache, whether you're on Safari or Chrome. So what you just want to go ahead and do, we'll just use Safari as an example, is scroll down all the way to the bottom where it says apps, then go over to Safari and go ahead and find the application in your settings. Go ahead and click on it, then scroll down again. You're going to see a lot of options, but go over to clear history and website data. Just clear your history, and then that's going to clear the cache. Finally, if you're on any VPN, go ahead and disable your VPN as that can conflict with local network certificates, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also, be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something you don't know about yet.